In today's video, I'll show you how to get the meeting transcript from Microsoft Teams recording. So for this, at first what you have to do is just go ahead and open up Microsoft Teams. I already have it open. Then from the left-hand side, just go inside Meet. Then just create a meeting or join any meeting. Then just configure your settings and then just get in the meeting. And after you're in the meeting, what you have to do is you'll find this three dot icon here. You'll find an option called record and transcribe, or you can find it over here as well. But as I have a personal account and I don't have Microsoft 365 subscription, so I don't have the option to get the transcription. So if you have that issue, what you can do is just come here and click on more options. Then just go to language and speech. Then just turn on RTT for this call. And you can click on turn on. RTT stands for real-time text. So you can just enable this. Just give it some time after clicking it and it will be enabled. And after it is enabled, you're going to see every single text over here. So just before the meeting ends, you can come here and copy everything and just take everything with you. That's going to work like a transcript for you. That's one way to work around this. And basically that is it. And basically that is how to get meeting transcript from Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.